Hey guys, just wanted to go through and show you a couple of the awesome things that this website has to offer you. So hopefully you've already watched the video of my son and I cutting up some Play-Doh type shapes. If you've got Play-Doh at home, in all honesty, use it. Okay, it's going to be one of the best ways that you can see cross sections. Kind of fun, get to be a kid again, all that good stuff. But if you don't have Play-Doh at home or kinetic sand or something like that, or you just want to explore with this website, so you're going to click on the link that's in Google Classroom here, and then you are going to be brought to a screen that looks like this. From here, you can explore what happens if you kind of like cut a triangular prism or some pyramids and stuff as well. Okay, so I want to go through the triangular prism with you really quick. And you can see that we've got this shape here, and then this light blue piece is what would be like our cutting surface, and then the darker gold shows you what shape you would get. Okay, so here we have a triangular prism sitting on its triangular base, right? If you then were to cut it parallel to the base, right, we get a triangle. However, there's all these other things over here where you can like maneuver. So if I start to rotate this would be like rotating where my knife is being cut through. You can see then if I cut through the triangle, I end up getting a rectangle. Okay, and I can play around with the height of it. I can play around with some of like the other rotations. Okay, I can move it through my shape. All sorts of stuff. You can turn it so that you can see it head on. There's all kinds of cool things. And then if I come over here to pyramids, I want to show you the rectangular pyramid really quick. So I have a rectangular pyramid here, and if I cut it parallel to the base, which is that rectangle, I get a rectangle. However, if I move it all the way up to the tip top, I'm going to do view from the section really quick, you can see that what was a big rectangle gets to be like a teeny tiny little speck of a dot right at what we call the apex, which is the very tip top. Okay, and then that little arrowy thingy resets it. Okay, so that would be the apex right there, that little tiny tip top. Okay, and again, you can rotate stuff. I can get a trapezoid. You can rotate it all sorts of fun ways. So this is just a cool little website to play around on. If you've got questions about it, reach out to me. Remember that you should be spending no more than about half an hour of math every day. We do have a quiz tomorrow. This is a great website to reference.